Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to explain the concepts in React. Okay. See, first I will just list out the topics. What is React introduction? We're going to see what lies in React introduction, such as when it introduced, what is the use of React, everything we will see in React introduction. Then React history, who developed React, what are the current version in React, everything we will see in React history. Then how to develop React application. Both the ways, we will see old comments and new comments. Next we will see what is JSX and what are the rules followed by JSX. Next we will see what is JSX expression. Then we will see how to add styles to React, okay, by using CSS. Next, the very important concepts called components. Okay, there are two types of components. One is class component and next one is functional component. Next, React modules. Next we will see the major important topics in React such as props. Okay, if you attend any interview, the first question is what is prop. Okay, see, props are used in both class component and functional component to pass the data. The major use of props is to pass the data from one component to another component. Next we will discuss state, then lifecycle methods, then context API. See, these all cannot be used in functional component, so they introduce the concept called hooks, such as use state, use effect, use reducer, use context, use callback, use memo, use ref, use navigate, use params. After completion of this, we will go with React router DOM. Then we will discuss about Axios. What is the use of Axios? You may heard about fetch method, right? It works similar to fetch method. Then we will see some advanced concepts in React such as flux and redux. After completion of all these topics, we will see or we will develop a project using all these concepts.